Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first open any browser, type Intel Wi-Fi 6 driver. Download for Windows operating system, you can select Windows 11. Then click on first link, which is intel.com official website. Click on it. Scroll down. This is download first one. Click to download. Then I accept. So it will start downloading in the download box. You can see. And just it is completed. Then single click to open. Then next I agree to license term and conditions. Then next, now this is installing the Wi-Fi. Then it is completed, and then click to finish, and then close it. And after that, restart your system. Okay, thank you.